Yes, hello, good morning everyone. Once again, it's Server Dreamer. Ayan, magandang umaga lahat mga nakshi. We are still on SCQ, Enhanced Community Quarantine. So, just stay home and tulungan po ang ating mga magulang sa mga gawaing bahay. Okay? At gawin ang mga gawain na aming binibigay ng inyong mga guro para po sa inyong mga lesson for this week. Okay, so let's start our week 3 for Mathematics 7. Okay, so what is our lesson for this week? Relationships among angles formed when two parallel lines are cut by a transversal. Okay, so let's start our lesson. Okay, so we have line X, line Y, and line Z, as you can see on the illustration. And what do you call of the line Z? Line Z is what we call transversal. Okay, so that is what we call transversal. A line that intersects two or more lines. Okay, next, we have interior angles. What is interior angles? Interior angles are four angles formed between the line X and Y. In the figure, these are the angle C, angle D, angle E, and angle F. Okay, so as you can see, nasa loob po siya ng line X at line 1. Line X and line Y, which is cut by transversal. So, yung nasa loob ng dalawang line, X and Y, that is what we called interior angles. Angle C, angle D, angle E, angle F. Okay, so we have what we call exterior angles. So what is exterior angles? Are the four angles formed that lie outside the line X and line Y. Yung nasa labas po siya ng line X at line Y. What are those angles? Angle A, angle B, angle G, and angle S. Okay? Alternate interior angles. Okay, so what is alternate interior angles? Are two interior angles that lie on opposite sides of a transversal. Okay, so what are those? What are these angles? These two interior angles. So meaning interior yung nasa loob siya ng line X and line Y, but it's opposite side. Okay, so what are the angle pairs? Angle C and angle F. They are alternate interior angles. Angle D and angle E. Another alternate interior angles. Okay, so that is what we call alternate interior angles. Alternate exterior angles. Now, exterior angles naman po tayo, which is outside line X and line Y, but alternate. Okay, so the angle pairs are, on the exterior tayo, exterior angles, we have angle A and angle H. Another angle pairs, angle B and angle G. Those are what we call alternate exterior angle. Are two exterior angles that lie on opposite sides of the transversal. Okay? And let's proceed to corresponding angles. What is this corresponding angle is? Corresponding angles are two angles, one interior and the other exterior. Okay? One interior, the other exterior on the same side of the transversal. What are the pairs of corresponding angles? Okay, so let us name angle A and angle E. Okay, so the same corresponding angles. Angle C and angle G. Okay, angle B and angle F. Angle D and angle H. Those are the pairs of corresponding angles. Did you get it? Okay, very good. Okay, so let's proceed now to the relationships among angles formed when two parallel lines are cut by a transversal. Okay, so let us remember, when two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, as shown in the figure, the box angle, as you can see, are congruent, and the unboxed angle are also congruent. Okay, so take note of that. The two box angle and unboxed angle are also congruent. Okay, so let's have the following relationship. So therefore, corresponding angles are congruent. Like for example, angle A is congruent to angle E. Angle C is congruent to angle G. Angle B is congruent to angle F. And angle D is congruent to angle H. Okay, so that's corresponding angles. Then also, alternate interior angles are congruent. Okay, so let's have the angle C is congruent to angle F. And angle D is congruent to angle E. Okay. Then alternate exterior angles are congruent. Angle A is congruent to angle H. Angle B is congruent to angle G. Okay, so another relationship. Interior angles on the same side of a transversal are supplementary. Like for example, angle C plus angle E. So when we combine the measure of the angle, it will give us the result of 180 degrees. So therefore, it's supplementary. Okay, right? Then we have also exterior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. Like for example, angle A and angle G. When we combine angle B and angle H also, when we combine the measure of the angle, will give the result to 180 degrees. So therefore, they are supplementary. So those are the relationship among angles formed when two parallel lines are cut by a transversal. Okay, so let's dig in. Okay, so find the measure of the missing angles and tell the relationship that exists among the given angles. Okay, so let's have number one. What relationship is this? Okay, very good. Alternate exterior angle. What is alternate exterior angle? Therefore, alternate exterior angles are congruent. Therefore, the measure of the missing angle is also 110 degrees because alternate exterior angles are congruent. Very good. Okay, so what is the measure of the missing angle? 84 degrees. Wow, very good. Why? Because they are alternate interior angles. Wow. Alternate interior angles are congruent. That's why the measure of the missing angle is also 84 degrees. Okay, so what relationship? Okay, very good. Interior angle on the same side of the transversal. So therefore, what is the measure of the angle? 80 degrees. Wow, that's good. Because two interior angles on the same side they have the sum of 180 degrees. So therefore, the measure of the other angle is 80 degrees. Very good. What is the measure of the missing angle? 111 degrees. Wow, very good. Why? Alternate interior angles. Because alternate interior angles are congruent. That's good. Okay, so for number 5, what is the measure of the missing angle? 125 degrees. Again, because it's angle or alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles are congruent. Okay, so that's all for today. The relationship of the Angus form when two parallel lines are cut by a transversal. Okay, so let's remember the following. You read the interior, exterior, alternate interior, corresponding, and when two parallel lines are cut by a transversal. Okay, so that's all for today. Hope you understand well our lesson, and if you have question, just comment, and if you like the video, like and subscribe and share para naman po makita ng ating ibang mga subscriber, your friends, if they have question about this particular topic. Okay, so that's all for today. Love, love, love everyone. This is Server Dreamer. Good morning once again.